We are back with more of My Southern Home, and I'm here with Wyman, a local homeowner. And Wyman, I love the story of your home. You have to tell everyone about it.
So this is the Zapp house. It's 126 years old, and when we purchased it, we wanted to restore it. My wife and I are both architects, so it's very important for us to retain the history in the house, and that was the most striking part about the front facade in particular are the windows. So that's what we actually started with. Surprisingly enough, the restoration of this house is still continuing, but the very first thing we did was the windows.
Well, it was interesting, the story of how Heritage Window Solutions helped you with all the windows.
Yeah. So the windows were kind of in varying degrees of just disrepair. So there was a lot of mechanics involved. Heritage helped take a few of them apart, redo the weights, make sure the sash pockets were free so that they would actually function up and down. And then very, very careful attention to selecting a storm window to seal everything back up to make sure that there was some sort of energy savings there. Because that's the hardest part about an original window, is that it's single pane and they are very leaky.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today, and I just love that you and your wife have chosen to buy a historic home, because it's not easy.
No.
And it's a lot of love.
Yeah, and tears. Lots of tears.
Well, thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
We'll be back with more of My Southern Home in just a moment.